Hello art beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy! We're going to be talking about bangle bracelets, how to make your own bangle bracelets. They're really popular, really great trendy look, and they're really easy to customize, personalize with charms you like, charms that represent you. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I'll show you how easy it is to make them. Bangle bracelets is another look that is going to be really popular this year, and they're really great for personalizing your style. And they're a great introduction into jewelry making, I think. If you or someone you know are just getting into making jewelry, this is a great place to start because it's super easy techniques, and they're quick to make, and it's really easy, especially like if you're wanting to make some of these bracelets with your daughter or, you know, some friends that are just getting into jewelry making. This is a great place to start because you can kind of start with like a mix of charms that you think they'll like, some jump rings and some bracelets, and you guys can make all kinds of personalized looks that you guys are going to love to wear. And they're also really stackable. You could stack a couple together. So what I love about these is the personalization, really. These were made with like a sorority in mind. So if you have sorority sisters, this would be a great project to do together. Make some personalized bracelets. We have Tierracast charms that have different Greek alphabet letters. And of course you can add little extras like a heart or a tassel. If you're into sports, you could add your team colors, what sport you love, a little heart again. And these bangles from Tierracast are really nice because they're super easy to use. They just hook and unhook, so that's really nice. You can also showcase those fun charms in the loop of the bangle, which is a really fun look, I think, too. And you can still hook and unhook it. Again, I have links to all of these in the video description, so you can find them all at artbeads.com in our design studio with free instructions and a supplies list. Here's another one where the charms are kind of showcased on the loop. I love this little garden beads enameled leaf, and of course there's some little bead dangles here. This is a cool one that's adjustable, so this slides to be bigger or smaller depending. And you can also make your own bangles if you want to get a little more advanced with the technique. We do have a video on how to make your own bangle, kind of in the style of this or these. It looks similar to these. It's got that little area in the center where you can showcase charms like this. We have a video for how to do that. Here's another one if you want to show off your pets, your fur babies. You can add some fun pet themed charms, really any charms you like. So I just wanted to show you these birthstones would be really nice. I think I'm going to use that yellow though because of it looks like sunshine. Really fun. Oh, we've got to get one of these Tierracast succulent charms as well. Maybe I'll add in this because I just like that one. And I'm going to use this brass one, and I'm just going to add them to the outside edge. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. I love it. So that's the fun thing about charms with a hole like this is you can just slide it right on. No need to add a jump ring. Let's add that fun little Celtic drop. Fun. Oops, we might need a smaller jump ring for that one. Let's use one of these jump rings. Yeah, so I just think this is a great way to maybe introduce someone who's not used to jewelry making to the technique because it's super easy and quick. If you're looking to make gifts for your friends, this is a great idea because you can personalize them so easily. Also, don't be afraid to wire wrap onto these bangles. I'm just going to show you how to use jump rings today, but you could wire wrap some beads on here. I've seen that lately, and that's a really fashionable look, I think. Oh, this is so fun, you guys. I just love adding random charms for some dangly fun. Let's add that bee in there. Oh, that bee has a pretty small hole, but we're gonna try with these jump rings first. That might not work. Okay, we'll use our oval jump rings. Yeah, the bent chain nose pliers makes it easy to use the jump rings. They're really nice for working in those tight small components like a jump ring sometimes can be. So they do really help there, I think. And it's always good to have a different sizes and shapes of jump rings, just for the issue that I've run into where some of those loops can be smaller. You have to keep the size of your bangle in mind, all kinds of different things. Okay, this is so cute. So I just added some cute little charms. We've got a Tierracast charm, some sweet and petite enamel charms. So fun. So as you can see, those come together really easily. You can add any kind of charm that you want. I've got links to all of our metal charms and our bangle bracelets in the video description. Super easy, fun technique. I think bangle bracelets are going to be really trendy this year, and they make great little summer accessories to show off your personality. So don't be afraid to jump in and make some of those. So I hope you have fun with that technique. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and hit that bell so you get notified every time there's a new video. Thank you guys so much, and have a wonderful day.